In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Project Quick Access in Lovable. To get started, head over to Lovable and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll want to open the projects page from the dashboard. This is the main area where all of your available projects are organized, and it's where Project Quick Access becomes especially useful if you regularly jump between multiple builds. After you're on the projects page, take a moment to locate the project you want to open quickly. Depending on your workspace, you may see it listed in the main projects area, in a recent projects list, or inside the Project Quick Access section. The idea here is simple. Instead of browsing around and wasting time searching through your workspace, you can use this shortcut area to get directly into the project you need. Once you find the right project, click the project name to open it instantly. This should take you straight into that project's working environment. From there, you can navigate to the specific files, pages, or features you want to edit. For example, if you're updating content, adjusting layouts, or making changes to project settings, this is where you'll move into the exact part of the project you need. As you work, make your changes carefully and save your progress. It's always a good habit to save as you go, especially if you're making several updates in one session. That helps make sure your edits are preserved and keeps your workflow smooth. One of the biggest advantages of Project Quick Access is speed. If you're managing several projects at once, this feature helps reduce unnecessary clicks and makes it easier to stay focused. Instead of navigating all the way back through multiple menus each time, you can return to the dashboard whenever needed and quickly switch to another project using the same Project Quick Access area. So the basic flow is sign in, go to the projects page, find your project in Quick Access or recent projects, open it, make your edits, save your work, and then return to the dashboard when you need to move to another project. It's a very straightforward workflow, but it can save a surprising amount of time if you use Lovable often. That's all there is to it. Once you get used to using Project Quick Access, moving between projects in Lovable becomes much faster and more efficient.